Let's go.
It's the most beautiful time of the year.
Merry early Christmas! In this video I'm going to do some Christmas candy / cookies. And I actually got this idea from a friend of mine called Daryl. And what I'm going to bake is some cornflakes cookies, some snowflakes and roasted almonds. So I'm just going to start bake them. And I'm gonna start to do the cornflakes cookies, which I love. I used to do these all the time and I'm kind of famous for them. And they're real easy and they're vegan, gluten-free and everything. Now I'm gonna do the snowballs, and this will probably be a fail because I couldn't find any vegan white chocolate, so I'll have to use regular chocolate, of course vegan as well. So they might not look like actual snowballs, but hopefully they will do. So I'm just gonna try to do them. you feel. They don't look like snowballs, but they're really delicious. It doesn't really matter, no. But now I'm gonna show you the last recipe, which is roasted almonds. And I actually do this a few times a year to my grandpa because he loves them, so I do them for him. But today I'm gonna do them as a Christmas snack. I'm finally done with all of the Christmas candy. It took so long to make and film, but they all turned out so delicious. And I tasted all of them, so I'm full. And if you guys make any of the candies that I showed in this video, please send me a picture of them. And I hope you guys find this video inspirational to make other candies or such. And I hope you guys will have a wonderful Christmas, or if you don't celebrate, have a wonderful winter or summer, whatever season it is in your country. And I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Hug, system, bye. Bye!